Hi, my brothers and sisters. First of all, I want to wish you an amazing day, and in this special day that talking specifically the gold renewed his new maximum value, we are here for another Forex, straight to the point, operations in real time with Kalki the Mago. So let's go. Guys, I tried to enter a couple of times before, but today I don't know what's happening. Our internet here, and we have three internet, it's a little slowly. We live on the beach, so get patient and let's go. Let's together understand. Let's share now. I'll share here straight my screen, and let's start our analysis. But before it, I want to share with you what's happening, what we are looking for the next couple of days. So guys, in the next week we are in a week of payroll, of very big news that will bring very big reflects on the market. Talk about dollar, euro, Swiss franc, pounds, and all the markets. We know how is a week of payroll, but now this payroll that we have now, the point that we are today on the gold. Why we are talking, and I love to talk about gold. First of all, it's what we live. We live from the Forex market, so here we will talk about these possibilities. Properly about gold, for who make tradings in gold, talk about 10 years around it, and losing really money and understanding about this amazing currency, this amazing metal. And we are talking about a metal that came from the space. We are talking about the only, on my opinion, the only safety reserve for the world. We're talking about gold. And what we can expect for the next couple of days. I have warned about the gold that's today. I have warned about any level that we crossed this last month, let's say about it. So now what, in our opinion, what we have in gold. I will share here my screen with you and let's talk properly about it. Let's go! That's it, guys. I will show you here. This I have another analysis, but let's put here shall USD trading. I like to some analysis is we have properly tools that we use the trading, okay? But now talking about the price of oh, amazing. Guys, talking about gold here, what we can see, what we can understand, let's give a little compression for the last years. We can understand that we have a very big volume, and we have some things written here that are just some specific experts on the gold price analysis will give attention. One of that is about volume. I just will show here. But how is in my screen, the other screen here, in this chart I don't have a profile, no problem. Let's go out and let's get inside again, okay? No problem here. I always use, this is one of the details that we use for our analysis as totality. And here we are talking about the spot physical silver trust. So if you give attention on the volume here, okay, we can see that we have more than 5 times volume than the last, and we are talking about years that we have COVID, that we have the pandemic. If you look a little below about 2008, 2001, that we have very big increases on the market, that we call it star flashings. Listen and get note about this name. What we are seeing here, as in a tsunami, the sea, they get back before they advance. We are looking it on the marketing, but talking about gold, the price don't need to decrease because we are in a pole for years, as I told before. So, in our opinion, turning back here for the gold, if we make here together a logarithmic channel, okay, I will put here, let me see. Oh, here is a property firm. Let's go here, came with me. Here we are on the gold. Look, that's amazing operation we make yesterday live. I take a positive stop. Okay, and today with you now, live time, in real time, let's bid on the markets and let's position ourselves with conscience. Okay, we can see that gold in a very good movement here. What I will make in this now with you, I will put here a buy limit. This buy limit, okay, I will leave this operation in here. This is the point, 2,767. Okay, so if the marketing drop into here, they will consider it my order and it will go for the marketing. Okay, same time. By the other side, I can, in the same time, I need to do it. I need to put here a maximum stop losses and a maximum take profit. My stop losses, I will use 2,749. Okay, no problem. And for my take profit, I will put my first step of my target, that is 3,815. Okay, so I can already modify it here, and I can see that if or I will reach 1,500 or I will lose 500. So this is operation with conscience, with strategy. And how I use a small volume here of leverage, I will enjoy this opportunity to put another strategy, or I will lose 115, or I will get around 300. So here I have one operation already on the market and another one, both of that with take and stop losses. Or I will lose 700 in total, or I will reach 1,800, 900 totality. It makes sense for you? So this is my point of view. Second, we have a very big possibility with the last PMI that is shared to China. We can understand that for this week, and we are in a week that antecedes payroll. So my point of view as a specialist in JPI in Yan, talking properly about, we can understand that we will have an increasing so it will reflect in front of the biggest currencies. Talk about euro, dollar, pound, Swiss franc. We have good possibilities of very good movimentation. I will join in this operation. I sell it here, okay? So I see that the JPI will valorize in front of the euro, okay? And here I will put 72, but my point of view is 69, okay? So, and I will put okay, or I will have more 300 of losses, or I will reach 1,200. So now, guys, it's important we understand that or I will reach 3,000 profit, or I will lose 1,000. So it makes sense using the management that I use for this this profit that we are using here. Okay. Solomon is by vocation, is already stopped, and now I show it for you. Let's see here. Come with me. This is very important also. Okay, you can come here in my FX book. You can search with your own eyes here. Other thing that's important, I'm not here to sell you any fucking thing. Okay, I'm here to position myself and leave our registration, our point of view, and how we can win scale using the power of Forex in our favor. Okay, so here you can search Kalki. Oh, it's me. Oh, look at that beautiful. Oh, it's handsome, very handsome man. Here you can see Kalki the Mago. It's me, okay. And here we have a lot of results from the last 3 years. We have positive, negative. Talking about our robot, for example, now is resting. Okay, now it have been just 17 updated, but you can see here we reached more than 10%. Now what we did, we take these 3 profits, this one, okay, the illuminated also that we have here 24,000, and the orders account as well, and we will start another account here. It will be the same. I will use the Sirius, but I will use Sirius C, okay, and I will join all this capital in one. Yeah, we are talking about $120 that we will put for Solomon trade, and our expectative is to use in USD for have consistency in our control of volatility and management as totality of the robot. Here we are talking about a robot that's making profit for us while we are sleeping, while we are enjoying the life. So this is very nice to see by your own eyes, and by yourself. You will leave this operation here on my YouTube lifetime 24/7 for you see how Solomon can trade and make money for us. And that's it. Remember, Solomon the number one, Solomon number one, Solomon number one Forex robot expert advisor, for the technical name, let's say, the expert advisor number one of the world. It's Solomon. Remember about it, okay? So here, guys, is nice because my FX book says for itself, the result says for itself. But here we can understand our point of view and how we trade by the truly, okay? So it's this that I wanted to show for you now. I will change my screen here. And very nice. Now I think that we could finish our our purpose for today. And guys, you that are enjoying this movement in your favor, that are enjoying the price of the gold in your favor, and celebrate today. Today is a day for celebrate. And that's it, guys. Okay. Sorry for discussions about the internet. As I said, I have 3 internet here where we're living now, and sometimes we have this energy. Né? You understand that everything is energy, but we are persistent, and we are here to show and to leave everything, registration, and that's it, guys. Okay, if it makes sense for you, you can enjoy, you can take this operation. It's a good time to buy gold, and not just on the market, but physically talking about as well, as a diversification for your wallet, for your safety. And you need to remember, if you make a truly base of diversification, dollar, euro, Swiss franc, and part of this capital you put on the market, and you use the leverage, use robots, use manual trading, hybrid trading, you can win scale in your fronts, and it can bring you the freedom that you are reaching. Okay, so that is using this type of operation, this a clarity of mind. It's this that I make every day. We lose and we win money, but our operation we make with consistency. We have operations with more risk that we can have more risk. We have operations that we need to bring consistency. So the management is the most important in the market and outside of the market. For your life, it's important also. So that's it, guys. We felt the happiness, we felt the proud I'm here, and we'll be here every day. Okay, I will be solving these technical problems for we professionalism in our lives for the next. But that's it, guys. The important is that we are here, we are together, and I really wish that you have the most prosperous week for your life, that you enjoy this information for a good side. And that's it. It's a pleasure to be sharing a little of the truth that we live every day. Okay? So without more, you can see that our lives now is 50 minutes, 20 minutes. So here you can expect every day Forex is straight to the point. Or we will lost money or we will win. But it will be online. And we work with the biggest brokers of the market. So this is important. You need to have conscience, you need to expand your fronts. Okay? And when you be ready, the universe will open the doors and the opportunity will drop in your hand. This we call it luck. So that's it. I wish a very prosperous week, and that you have courage to go beyond and to be who you're born to be. Okay, the universe will open the doors. The universe always open the doors who have courage to go beyond, to have here in we say it's a little different, but you need to have this courage to break the borders, to break the limits, and without compare yourself with the others. Each one have your own time, and that's it. I love the Forex market because it can bring us international possibilities, international connections, And this know how the peoples that crossed my road, and these have things that have a very biggest value than the money. And the money is correlated with big actions. So without more, you need to understand that sometimes you try to help the others, and I will sit at this table with these weakness people and to help them, but you don't need to do it, because if no, you can be the next weakness. And I hope you understand what I'm saying here. And you need to understand that everyone have the life that everyone deserves. So, as I said, everything is energy. So, it's this, guys. So enjoy the maximum of the goals. We are on the top, but we are in the beginning. We are in front of the biggest change, the biggest opportunity of the last 20 years. And what are you going to do with this information? I know what I will make. I will proceed every day making the same thing that I make always. Every day, every day, every day. And the time put everyone in your own place. Okay, so guys, it's this. I wish you again the most prosperous week for your life. See you tomorrow. Until this moment.